Welcome to the channel, and today we're going to be looking at Harbor Freight's October parking lot sale. So this is just a sneak peek of what's to come next month. So if you guys are interested, maybe you'll find some good deals. You'll know when to get them. So this is going to be October 6th on Monday through October 12th on Sunday. Now that Monday the 6th through Thursday the 9th, that is going to be for ITC members, and then everyone else will save on Friday the 10th to Sunday the 12th. So just quickly going through some of these, we're not going to mention everything, but I'll kind of let you guys browse through as I mention things. So we are going to see 20% off all US General carts and cabinets, 25% off all Bauer corded power tools. That's not the Bauer corded tools I've actually heard good things about, especially for the price. And if you can get them 25% off, I think that's a great deal. Then you got 35% off all pliers and screwdrivers from Bremen, Doyle, Icon, Pittsburgh, and Quinn. That is a huge savings on their pliers and screwdrivers. So then we also have 50% off all Thunderbolt batteries. It depends on what you use them for. Not the greatest batteries, but they are very cheap. So if you just want to keep stockpile for your kids, toys, things like that, that's not a bad idea. Then we have the Badland 12,000 pound winch down to $280, so $70 worth of savings on that. Here you guys can just see a few other items. This Predator generator down here, that is going to be the 5,000 watt at $800 down from $1,100. The Pittsburgh 3-ton low-profile jack with the rapid pump is going to be down to $100 from $170, so $70 worth of savings there. Really good deal there. Then just some of your smaller miscellaneous stuff down here, which is just a lantern, a moving blanket, just some of your miscellaneous items. Nothing too special over there. And then here on the next page, we got the 29-piece titanium drill bit set down to $12 from $20. Some work gloves coming down on a discount, 50% off and 53% off over here. More Predator generators down. I'll just let you guys quickly look at that. The 100-watt solar panel down to $115 from $130. That's already a good price on the 100-watt. I don't think that's a bad deal at all, especially if you have their power station or a power station you're looking for a 100-watt solar panel. The Portland stuff I don't have a lot of experience with, but there you can see the deals. The Central Machinery 6-liter ultrasonic parts cleaner at $140 down from $180. Little 10 cubic foot trailer cart at $110, and more of your miscellaneous items down here. Moving on to the next page, wheel chock for $4.88 down from $8. 30% off all Daytona 3-ton heavy duty ratcheting jack stands. So that's big savings. I like the new design. They're available in tons of different colors. And 30% off, that's a really good deal. Now keep in mind that's for the 3-ton heavy-duty ratcheting jack stands. Then the 4-ton professional Daytona floor jack is down to $170 from $270, so $100 savings on the Daytona 4-ton. That's a lot of savings on that floor jack. Then you got the Icon diagnostic scan tool at $800 down from $900. You got the multi-spline screw extractor set down to $48 from $70. Here we got a lot of the other jacks from Harbor Freight that are on sale as well. The 2-ton is down to $90 from $140. The 2-ton aluminum racing floor jack is down to $130 from $200. That's a fantastic deal. This is their cheaper compact jack, $30 down from $50. The 1-ton shop crane or cherry picker is down to $230 from $270. Not the best price I've seen, but not terrible. Just a few more items from Centec, Maddox, some Viking products down to $100 and $30. This one over here is a battery charger and maintainer. Then here we can see the 18-inch by 12-inch 1,000-pound capacity hardwood dollies. These are actually really handy to move heavier things around without, throwing your back out or hurting yourself. Some more Badland winches on sale. Here's the Badland off-road jack, the 1.5-ton. They do have two different ratings. The 1.5-ton is down to $240 from $280. Some welding equipment that's on sale, welders and carts. Next up here at the top, we can see they have the 20-ounce gravity feed air spray gun at $9. The air tool accessory kit, this is a 17-piece set, down below $7. The Fortress air compressors, quite a few of those on sale, the 27-gallon, the 10-gallon, and the 2-gallon. I like the Fortress. I've had good experience with them. The Ultra Quiets are quite impressive. $50 savings on this 27-gallon, $40 savings on the 10-gallon, and $20 savings on the 2-gallon. And then you also have some McGraw air compressors over here on sale as well. I don't have experience with the McGraw stuff, but there's some decent savings on that. Moving down, you have the Bauer 20-volt cordless brad nailer, the tool only at $80 down from $100. The Banks stapler is down to $24 from $40. That's a decent amount of savings. Then the Earthquake XT, the half-inch drive composite ultra torque, down to $130 from $160. Here you can just see some of the other items down here at the bottom and the miscellaneous smaller accessories and things. Next page, we can see that they have the Admiral 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw at $200 down from $230. The 15-amp 10-inch job site table saw is at $330 from $380. The band saw is at $140, $40 worth of savings on that. The Doyle vise is down to $150. 15-amp planer down to $350 from $400. The 20-volt brushless cordless half-inch compact impact from Hercules is down to $50 from $70. You got a surface conditioning tool over here at $90, so $50 worth of savings on that. Then we have the Icon shop seat down to $80 from $115. The Pittsburgh low profile creeper, $25 down from $40. I had it. It was okay. The Braun 10,000 lumen linkable shop lights. These are always great. Whatever brand you go with, these linkable shop lights are fantastic. This is down to $33 from $50. A little bit of storage here. Hardwood workbench at $150 down from $180. The 5-tier shelving from Yukon down to $40 from $60. So it doesn't look like some bad deals. Not a whole lot on hand tools, but a decent sale for a lot of shop equipment. And then obviously, since there aren't a whole lot of hand tools in this, it's primarily due to the fact that we have that 35% off coupon for all pliers and screwdrivers from Bremen, Doyle, Icon, Pittsburgh, and Quinn. And then we also have the 20% off all U.S. General carts and cabinets, which is a fantastic deal. So definitely some good stuff coming, but let me know your guys' thoughts, or if you guys are going to pick something up this month during the 10 days of deals, or if you guys are going to be waiting for the parking lot sale in October. But I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.